Welcome to CruiseLink. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to search for flights using CruiseLink's Find Flights tool. Start by selecting the Find Flights icon at the top center of your screen. You'll see 3 itinerary types to choose from: one-way, round trip, or open jaw. Choose the option that best fits your travel plans. Next, enter your trip details, including your departure city, arrival city, travel dates, approximate departure time, and the number of travelers in your group. If your traveler has flexibility, you can enable a flexible date search to find better availability or lower fares across a wider range of dates. You can also set minimum or maximum connection times, which is helpful for avoiding tight connections or allowing enough time between flights. Before running your search, you can use advanced options to tailor the results to your traveler's needs. Refine your search by fare type, including published, cruise, tour, or consolidator fares. You can also select a preferred cabin class such as economy, premium economy, business, or first. If your traveler prefers a smoother journey, you can choose to view direct or non-stop flights only. All of these options are available on the main search screen, giving you more control from the start. Once everything looks good, go ahead and run your search. When the results load, they are automatically sorted by most economical. You can switch to view the fastest flights or explore directional fare options for round-trip itineraries by clicking the tabs at the top. Just above the list of flights, you'll see the fare matrix. This grid makes it easy to compare fare types across multiple airlines at a glance. You can click any option in the matrix to instantly view details for that specific flight, making it easy to explore alternatives without restarting your search. To narrow your results, you can filter fare types directly in the fare matrix or by using the filters on the left-hand panel. You can also filter by specific airlines and apply additional options to refine your search even further. Above the fare matrix, you'll find the Quick Search section. If it's collapsed, expand it to view your original search details. From there, you can adjust cities, dates, or traveler information, and run a new search without returning to the home screen. Each flight result provides key details to help you make an informed choice. You'll see the fare type, class of service, available seats, luggage allowance, and routing information, including whether the flight is non-stop, where it connects, and the total travel time. To view more details, simply click the arrow next to the airline logo to expand the full flight breakdown and collapse it again when you're done. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to run a flight search, compare your options, and understand the results with confidence. With these tools, you're ready to explore your options and book the trip that works best for your clients using CruiseLink.